Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to offer PayPal as a payment option? This video will guide you throughout integrating PayPal with WooCommerce to simplify payments for your customers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So in this video guys, we will understand how we can allow people or customers, clients to actually buy from our website using PayPal. So first of all, when you have installed WooCommerce plugin, which is very easily by going to plugins, add new, and basically from this area, you will be able to search or upload the plugin. So simply just search for WooCommerce. And in case you had like a premium version plugin, you could simply just upload it. So here you simply have to click on install now and then activate it. Now for WooCommerce Gateway with PayPal, then you will need to actually add another plugin, which is the PayPal WooCommerce Gateway. As you can see here, if I search for WooCommerce, you will find it right below it. It should be right over here. Here it is. So this is the extension that we are going to use. So one checkout solution, many ways to pay. PayPal's all-in-one solution allows you to offer PayPal, Venmo, US Pay Later at no additional cost, credit and debit cards, and country-specific payment options. The all-in-one checkout solution, WooCommerce PayPal payments lets you offer PayPal, Venmo US, as you can see, pay later options, credit cards, and more, all designed to help you maximize conversions. So as you can see here, of course, we know that PayPal helps increase conversion by automatically offering PayPal buttons on product pages and at checkout. Consumers are nearly 3 times more likely to purchase when you offer PayPal than any other payment gateway. PayPal Pay Later lets customers pay over time while you get paid upfront at no additional cost. PayPal Pay Later option are boosting merchant conversion rates and increasing cart size by 39%. Imagine like the customer will not even pay and still I can buy from you. You will get the money, but the money of the customer will not go out of his bank account. So he still owes the money. He can pay later PayPal whenever they want, whatever the agreement is. But yeah, this is very cool. Even when the customer needs your product but doesn't have the money, if you are having PayPal Pay Later, 100% this will boost your sales by a lot. As you can see, there is a size of 39% increase when the PayPal Pay Later is actually on. It's help increase conversion with pay later messaging. So as you can see, PayPal Pay Later allows customers to pay over time while you get paid upfront at no additional cost to your business. And since 81% of younger consumers who use buy now, pay later, decide which payment method to use before they get to the checkout. Showing pay later messaging on your site lets customers they have flexible options to pay over time while they are browsing, helping convert your browser into buyers. There's of course the Venmo US only, which reach Venmo shoppers while allowing customers to share purchases with friends. Venmo users spend 2.2 times more annually on online purchases compared to other online buyers. So this is something that's really important when it comes to like small details like these, like a payment getaway or like a specific thing like pay later can really make your business change by a lot. Here there's the country specific payment method, offer a locally recognized payment method to help build trust and reach international customers, including payments upon invoice, PUI, a local payment option available only for purchases completed in Germany. You can add credit and debit card processing capabilities, since PayPal payments provide 2 different card processing options, the standard card processing and the advanced card processing. The standard one is basically a card transactions are managed by PayPal in a pre-built user experience, which simplifies your compliance requirements, suitable for all business and personal seller accounts. The other one gets everything that comes with PayPal standard integration, along with the ability to customize the look, feel, and placement of your debit and credit card payment fields. You can also use fraud protection tools to set up your own risk tolerance filters. This is very, very cool. Now, let's skip all of that. I mean, let's get started. Like, let's download it and use it already, because the features that this app has is huge and it's a lot. So simply, first thing that you have to do is to install it, and then of course you have to activate it. Now, it may not be working for me since I am using a WordPress version that is old and that doesn't suit really this plugin. But for you guys, you will probably be using the WooCommerce official website, so that will not be a problem for you. You will not face this problem anywhere close. So as you can see, this is an an article by PayPal themselves about adding it. So search for WooCommerce PayPal payments, click install now, and activate it. And yeah, once you have activated the plugin, it is not really totally activated since there is a couple of settings that you have to finish first. So once the extension has been installed and activated, you will find the PayPal options available under WooCommerce settings checkout. Visit the WooCommerce PayPal payment setup guide for a comprehensive integration guide. Let's go through it. Let's go, and here it is. Yeah. So as you can see here, there is an explanation for all the things that we need to go for. So now, as you can see, after you add installation, you go here, install plugin, and you activate it, then you will have to actually connect your PayPal account. Since you only installed now the plugin, it is not connected to any account, so the money will not really go anywhere. It's like an empty account. So you have to connect the PayPal plugin with your account so you can receive the money at least. That's what we are going to learn right now. So after installing, we go to WooCommerce and settings, then click the payment tab. The payment method list may include two PayPal options. Click setup or manage if the extension is already active. Next to PayPal, not PayPal standard, the account setup section presents different options for the onboarding process. You can check security, accept all major credit and debit cards on the strength of the PayPal network to enable credit and debit card functionality. This can be changed after connecting. Seventh thing, which is the step number 7, is to activate PayPal by clicking the button and following the prompt to connect your live PayPal accounts. Click Test Payment with PayPal Sandbox to test the integration using the PayPal Sandbox. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you can create one from the activation window. Now, after you're done with all of these previous steps, after completing the connection, navigate the Standard Payment tab, and to ensure the checkbox next to Enable Disable is checked, configure your desired PayPal button appearance and click Save Changes. To enable PayPal by default, the PayPal Gateway and Smart buttons are enabled on the checkout, single product, and card pages. And that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. So what's it for today? Thank you guys a lot for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.